So the reason why we're taking it apart is that we're missing a bolt there. It rattled off and it fell down into that area right there. Caught it somewhere around here. I think that's it. But so we got to take apart and put some longer studs because we got the long rod, you know, in this yz250. So studs just aren't long enough. Kind of not enough, you know, thread for that nut to catch. It's like, how do you eat elephant? One step at a time. Alright, next is the coil. Get them springs off of there. Get the back of the pipe loosened up. Good to go. Go a waggle. Trying to get that pipe off of there. I always get nervous looking in the exhaust ports of these saws, but turned around. Lift together. That looks good. That looks fine. Alright. Get that loosened up. And then we get a different tool for in there. See, a lot of these hot saws, we use the, stick my wrench in there, see what's going on. The oil bath, the water jackets are the oil reservoir for the, you know, for the bar and chain, so should have drained out. It's a little weird, it's still in there. Good when the blue wrench comes out. Alright, here goes nothing. There's no better feeling. Oh, you all heard that. That's good. Now we get that ratchet on there. There it is. I did this one a while ago, but it's a lock, so it's Loctite. Some anti-seize on there, and it's working. Got our new studs in there. These are just 43 10 or so steel thread rod. I don't know if that's the right number. You just cut those, put them in there, for that longer length to compensate for that speed. Alright, so we got our tuning fork, piece of wood on there, which you've all seen to hold up this, and then we slide the cylinder over that gap. Get those slid back on there. Now we got some nice long studs in there. Stover styles. I don't know if that's the way to go. There's something brand new there. Goop out of there. Get that coiled all tightened up.